location, location, location. That is the common lines that we can hear from our real estate agent and brokers when we are buying properties. Now, we have a property that is located right at the heart of Cebu City. This is a 2-story townhouse. It's a corner unit. The location is minutes from here going to like the schools like UP. It's just around 4 minutes. And if you want to talk about like Cebu Business Park, Cebu IT Park, from here Cebu IT Park is about only less than 10 minutes. It's around like 8 to 9 minutes. That's driving. And from here going to Cebu Business Park, it's only about 6 to 7 minutes. And from here again going to Waterfront Hotel, it's only about 6 minutes. So the location here is really one of the top notch that you can consider buying in this property. And since we are talking about location, right in front of your house, like because this is a 2-story house, you have a balcony. Right in your balcony, you have the view of a Waterfront Hotel, and on the left side is the view of IT Park. Most particular is the building of the Cebu Exchange. So come with me as we're going to check this property. So let's go outside the car, and we are going to show you this very nice property. When it comes to location, this is really one of the top notch. Come. And this is the interior of the property. Lot area of this property is 112 square meters, while the floor area is 124 square meters. It consists with 3 bedrooms at the second floor, 1 bedroom at the ground floor, and 2 toilet bathroom at the second floor, with 1 balcony for the master's bedroom. And this is a corner lot of the townhouse. Let's go and come and check inside. This is your car garage, indoor car garage, 1 indoor car garage, and welcome to the house, living area of the house. Then this will lead you going to kitchen and the kitchen and laundry area. And you have a side garden. And let's go to the second floor. And you have the common toilet and bathroom. bedroom 1 and bedroom 2. And this is the master's bedroom. As I said earlier, on the master's bedroom there is a balcony. You can find you can see the buildings of Waterfront Hotel, and on the left side is the buildings of Cebu Exchange in Cebu IT Park. So it's and you have the main bedroom, toilet and bathroom. And in here, okay, on the left side, as I am facing this way, on the left side is the Cebu IT Park, on the right side is Cebu Business Park, and on your front is the Waterfront Hotel building. That is the Cebu Business Park area, and this is the Cebu IT Park area, and that is the Waterfront Hotel. And lastly, regarding the price of this property, this cost around 15 million Philippine pesos, and we are open for bank financing. So it's around like you have to down payment for about 30 to 35%, 30 to 40%, and balance will be bank finance. We are open for that options, and the property has complete title, complete documents that can support for the bank financing. And you can have my contact number, as I will going to put it on the details below of this video. And please, we are encouraging you to support us, like our video, subscribe to our channel, and you can also share the video on your social media platform so that your friends or your family can see our video, and maybe, who knows, one of them might be interested in checking this property. We are open for schedule for you to assist on this property, and that's it. Thank you.